Hello, I am Siddharth Pindarkar from Pindarkar's Coaching Institute. I want to explain about quantum numbers right now. For more information about us, check our website pindarkarsinstitute.com. We run physical and online batches for 11, 12th grade sciences and for engineering, medicine, entrance exams like JEE, NEET, CET, etc. Also, download our app, Pindarkar's Coaching Institute app, for more than 2,500 videos on PCM. Check out our YouTube channel, Siddharth Pindarkar. Now, I will explain about quantum numbers. Earlier, we have seen that there are orbitals in an atom. Orbitals are regions in space where chances of finding an electron are maximum. There are four types of orbitals: S, P, D, and F. And then an electron will be present in one of these orbitals. Now, quantum numbers are a set of four numbers which help us to designate an electron in an atom. मतलब if there is some atom, कोई भी atom में electron होगा, if there is an electron in an atom, then that electron is present in which orbital, in what direction, and it is spinning in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. All this information is given by quantum numbers. There are four quantum numbers: principal, azimuthal, magnetic, and spin. Quickly, I will explain about them. Principal quantum number indicates the orbit in which the electron lies. It is indicated by letter n. So when n equal to 1, 2, 3 integer values n can take. So n equal to 1 means electron is in the first orbit. N equal to 2 means electron is in the second orbit, and so on. Next, azimuthal quantum number, it is indicated by small l letter. It indicates in which orbital the electron lies. If electron is in s orbital, azimuthal quantum number is 0, L is 0. For p orbital, if electron is in p orbital, L equal to 1. If electron lies in d orbital, L equal to 2. If electron lies in f orbital, L equal to 3. Next is magnetic quantum number, denoted by small m. Magnetic quantum number indicates that electron is in which direction in a particular orbital. For example, our p orbital is oriented in three directions, x, y, and z. So if I know that electron is in p orbital, then in which direction, x direction, y, or z direction, electron lies, that is indicated by magnetic quantum number. Always remember, magnetic quantum number, small m, takes integer values from minus L to plus L. Means from minus of the azimuthal quantum number to plus of the azimuthal quantum number. For S orbital, azimuthal quantum number is 0, L is 0, M is also 0, always M is 0, because S orbital does not have any direction. S orbital is spherical, so it is not oriented in a particular direction. Let's talk of p orbital. Azimuthal quantum number L is 1. So magnetic quantum number will be -1 to +1, integer values, -1, 0, and +1. If electron is in p orbital in the x direction, px orbital, then magnetic quantum number, small m, is +1. If electron is in py orbital, p orbital in the y direction, magnetic quantum number is 0. If electron is in p orbital in the z direction, magnetic quantum number is -1. Next, if electron is in d orbital, now d orbital is oriented in 5 different directions. Each of these directions is indicated by magnetic quantum number from integer values from -2 to +2. Since azimuthal quantum number is 2 for d orbital, L is 2, so M will take integer values between -2 and +2, like -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. So d orbital are oriented in 5 different directions, and each direction is indicated by one of these numbers. F orbital, if electron is in f orbital, azimuthal quantum number L is 3, and f orbital is oriented in 7 different directions. Now electron is in which direction if I want to indicate? Each direction of f orbital is indicated by magnetic quantum number from -3 to +3 by an integer value. If electron is in a particular direction, different directions are indicated by -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, etc. And then sorry, there is no etc, only these 7 directions are there. Then spin quantum number. Now every electron, we believe that every electron in an atom spins about its own axis, or spins, actually a little difficult because electron does not have an axis, but it spins, and it can spin in clockwise direction or it can spin in anti-clockwise direction. So we indicate the two directions of spin by spin quantum number. S equal to +12 indicates that electron is spinning in clockwise direction. When we write spin quantum number S as -12, then minus indicates that electron is spinning in anti-clockwise direction. You might wonder why half, why the value half, why not round figure 1, 2, 3, why half, a fraction. Actually, this half is nothing but a probability of an electron spinning in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Probability, if you're aware, it is number of outcomes favoring an event upon total number of outcomes for that experiment. That is called sample space. For example, if I am having an electron and it can spin in clockwise or anti-clockwise directions, total possibilities are two. Electron can spin in two different possibilities. And then if I'm talking of electron spinning in clockwise direction, I'm talking of only clockwise, one outcome out of two outcomes. So 1 by 2 is the probability of electron spinning in clockwise direction, and 1 by 2 is the probability of electron spinning in anti-clockwise direction. So these are the four quantum numbers: principal, azimuthal, magnetic, and spin. Now let us look at this example. For an electron, if a set of four quantum numbers are given like this, we have to designate that electron, means tell that electron is in which orbit, which orbital, and it will be spinning in what direction. Look at this: n equal to 2, l equal to 1, m equal to 0, s equal to plus half. So four quantum numbers like these would be present for each electron in an atom. So a unique set of these quantum numbers, are present for each electron in an atom. Now, what does this mean? N equal to 2 means electron is in second orbit. L equal to 1, you can see L equal to 1 means electron is in p orbital. M equal to 0, for p orbital there are three directions, x, y, z. M equal to 0, magnetic is 0 means py. So electron is present in p orbital in the y direction. And s equal to half, come to the spin quantum number, s equal to plus half means electron is spinning in clockwise direction. So we will say for these quantum numbers, this set of quantum numbers, electron is in 2py orbital, 2py, second shell ka py, 2py orbital, and spinning in clockwise direction.